Sam Altman has a bet running with a group of tech CEO friends. It is not about the next model. It is about the year one single person builds $1 billion company. One person, no team, no office, no investors, just them and AI. A few years ago, that was a punchline. Now it is a serious wager between serious people. And whether or not anyone actually hits $1 billion, the reason they are betting is the part that should matter to you. Here is what actually changed. For most of history, if you were the entrepreneurial type, you hit the same wall. You had the idea, you had the drive. But to build the thing, you needed people, a developer, a designer, a marketer, someone to do the books, and people cost money you did not have yet. So the idea sat in a notes app, and the wall won every time. That wall is the thing AI just knocked down. I have always been the ideas person. And the frustrating part was watching money leave before any came in. Pay a freelancer to build the site, pay someone to write the copy, pay for the parts you cannot do yourself, and just hope it comes back right. I do not outsource those parts anymore. AI writes the first draft, builds the rough version, handles the admin, chases the emails. It is not perfect, and I still check everything it does. But the team I used to rent, I now run from my laptop, and the numbers back it up. A full solo AI toolkit runs about $3,000 to $12,000 a year. That is the cost of the tools that used to be an entire payroll. And this is the bit I really want you to hear. Your team is AI now. Cutting the team does not mean doing everything yourself. It means you finally get to spend your time on the one part you are genuinely good at. For me, that is creating, building, and selling. The stuff I actually enjoy. The stuff that actually makes money. AI takes the 20 jobs I was bad at or bored by and hands me back the 2 I am great at. Do what you're good at. That is the real point. Not a robot that runs your whole life. Leverage on the thing you already do well. Now the honest part, because I am not here to sell you a fantasy. Being a solo millionaire is still rare. Right now, only about 1/5 of 1% of one-person businesses ever cross $1 million. AI has not changed the maths of building something people actually want to pay for. What it has changed is the cost of trying. It used to take money and a team to even find out if your idea worked. Now it takes a weekend and a subscription. And here is the trap I keep watching people fall into. They look at AI today, decide it is not quite there yet, and wait. They will start when it is smarter, when it is easier, when it is proven. But the people winning right now are not waiting for perfect. They are building with the messy, good enough version, learning the workflow, and getting a little better every single week. By the time the doubters decide AI is finally ready, the early ones will have 2 years of a head start, a real product, and actual paying customers. Remember this is the slowest AI will ever be. It only gets better from here. So starting late is the only real risk you are taking. So here is the takeaway. You do not need the millionaire headline to win from this. You just need to notice that the wall that used to stop you is gone. Pick the thing you are good at. Use AI to handle the rest. Badly at first, better each week. And start before you feel ready. Because ready is not coming. And that head start is the whole game. If you want honest, no hype takes on building with AI and actually making money, subscribe. I am testing what really works and telling you the real numbers, not the screenshots. See you in the next one.